Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of What's Next. How many hackathons did you win?
This was my 31st hackathon, like fifth one that I have won.
So how you imagine your next steps?
We like to do some innovative stuff and do it through the technology and AI that is our domain.
Why did you end up with this product for this hackathon?
Last time we had like 3 hours of brainstorming, said about some problem that we had. We were like, okay, we know the stuff, maybe we could do that and that and that and like solve it this way.
Are you only 2 people or do you have a bigger team?
So we have basically, we are 3 full-time founders and 1 part-time founders.
How did you form your team?
Me and my other batchmate founder, we basically built a previous startup with the name of YPay Financial Services. That was a wealth management startup for the pan-Islamic world.